So today we'll be talking about Ford Explorer 2011, 2015. Maybe there's other years, but I think those are their similar years. I'll be showing you how to replace tail light. First you want to do is open the trunk and get like a flathead screwdriver. Make sure you scratch these up. Just carefully pop these. Just like that, one on top and one on the bottom. And get a 8mm. Once you remove those two bolts, this is getting loose. So you just wiggle it with two hands, make sure you don't drop it, and then just pull towards you, and it pulls out. And that's how you remove this tail light if you need to replace it, or if you need to get to the bulb and say like reverse light. I believe it's that one, and so on, if you need to replace any of these light bulbs. So to replace, let's say if you want to replace this one, right? I believe that one's, I'm not sure if this one's turn signal or reverse, we'll see. But anyway, so you just twist it this way. So yeah, you just twist it and just slowly pry it so you don't break it back and forth, and this comes off. I believe this is the turn signal because it's orange. So to replace it, you just pull on it. Pull this out this way. And that should come off. Just pull it out. And that comes out. To replace it, put it back in. Just like this. And just press on it. And that's how you replace the turn signal. So I believe that this one is turn signal. So to line it up, just line up those holes. You can see where the big ones, medium and small. So line it up like this. Just like this, and then turn it. So to take this light out, you just twist it. Like that. So you have to just slowly move it back and forth, and it comes out. And there you go. To replace it, same as turn signal. Take it out and put it back in, this part. To put it back in, line it up. Once you put it back in, flash, twist it so it clicks, and it's good to go. And then I couldn't get this one out. I'm not sure. I think maybe you have to press on it with two flat heads and then pull it out, but I'm not 100% sure. I don't really need to replace it, but I think this one's kind of hard to take it off. But I think you have to press this knob and the one on the other side. That should come off, but I'm not sure 100%. Might want to double check that one online. To put it back in place, same way. Make sure you line up with the holes. So line up all the holes. Press in it. Make sure you have a good fit. Once you do, then you're ready to install screws. Grab the screws. So once you tighten these, grab these plastic pieces and line up these knobs on sides. Just like that. And line up this one too. There you go. And that's how you replace tail light. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like my videos so I can grow and post similar videos to this one. And I'll see you in the next one. Also, before you put everything in, maybe you want to double check, make sure the lights are working, turn signal and stop.